Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. I know I've been away from you guys for like a month or so, but that's because my daughter turned 1 and I wanted to make sure that her birthday was magical, especially for her first birthday. So I was spending like most of my time planning her birthday, and then my birthday's 2 days after that, so just imagine. But besides all that, I do want to thank those who have been watching my videos and keeping up with my videos and keeping my page alive. I do thank you guys for that, because that keeps me motivated to keep putting out videos for you guys. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, because you will not regret my videos. You will love my videos because I'm here every week, every Sunday, consistently with more videos. But for this video, I am going to do a drawstring ponytail, and I will be using this type of hair. Yep, and it's 20 inches, so let's see how this hairstyle looks for me, so stay tuned. For this style, guys, I am going to be using Beeswax. I love this product because it helps to ensure that my hair is sleek. Also, I'm going to add a little of my Ecostyling gel just to make sure my hair is completely laid down. Although my hair is already straight and I don't need that much product, but a little product can go a long way. So because my hair is already straightened, well, somewhat straightened, it's easier for me to brush my hair and put the product through to create this little sleek look. So I was advised by the person that straightened my hair not to straighten my hair after she straightened it, but I haven't. I just wanted these sides to be out, and I'm just gonna straighten it just a little bit, not too much heat. Not too much heat, okay? So. Don't tell her. So it's time to pop on this ponytail, and as you can see here, the ponytail has 2 clips that you attach to your hair, one clip at the top and the other at the bottom. So these 2 clips help to ensure that your ponytail stays secure. Well, I mean, unless someone tries to snatch it off, then that's a different story. So at first it seems pretty easy to attach on the hair, but I was having a little trouble placing it in the center and making sure that the hair was secure. So as you can see, I'm trying to adjust it and clip it on, but once it was secure and everything was in place, as you can see here, I'm trying to string it and pull it so that the ponytail feels secure. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but the ponytail was giving me a little humpy vibes, and I do not like that. And the clip is showing a little bit, so I did decide to use my braiding hair, and this will help to reduce the size of the hump and also to get rid of the clip that's showing here. So I'm just going to wrap it around, and this will help to create a little placeholder for the ponytail. Results of my hair. Like I said, it was quick and easy, especially especially since my hair was already straightened. I didn't have to do too much brushing, didn't have to put too much product in my hair. So I do see why people straighten their hair first before doing this style, because it's so much easier. So let's get into this look. Yes. And this is 20 inches, guys, so it looks pretty good. I like it. I mean, I don't really care for the little hump here, but like I said, everything came out really nice and I like it. If you do like this video, guys, thank you for watching, and give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe so you can stay tuned to my next video.